Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, I welcome you in the sequel lecture of tense forms. In the previous lecture, we had seen 9 tense form out of 12. Today, inshallah, we are going to study the remaining 3 tense forms. The reason behind taking these tense forms separately is that they are a bit different from the other 9 tense forms taken previously. So inshallah, with the grace of Allah, we are going to start simple tense forms. Simple tense form. Actually, we have 3 simple tense forms: future simple, past simple, present simple. Future simple tense form is the easiest possible, because in future tense form only two things are to be located, two things are to be seen. They are helping verb and main verb. So if you locate will as a helping verb plus V1, bear in mind V1, it is future simple. And if you locate, if you find in a sentence sure along with first form of the verb, it is future simple. You can see the example, they will help you. So what is the helping verb you locate? The helping verb that you locate is will. Will means future. That time also we had seen it. Help is first form, right? Simple. Will means future. First form help is simple. It is future simple. Let's see the next example. We shall do it. Shall means future. Do first form simple. So the moral or the thing that we learn from here is, if we locate shall or will in the sentence along with first form of the verb, shall given, will given, it is future simple. It doesn't matter again how long the sentence is. What matters is will or shall is used as a helping verb and first form is used. So many sentences: I will help you, they will go there, we shall make a new plan, etc., etc. Now let us come to the next, that is past simple and future simple. These two tense forms are unique, different from all the other tense forms in one respect, and that is no use of helping verb. Actually, these are the only two tense forms which do not take any helping verb. So have it here: no helping verb, no helping verb. So this fact helps us to identify past simple, present simple easily. So see, for your facility, it has been, means past simple has been divided into 3 categories. First, if you find ed in the end of any verb and there is no helping verb, NHV, no helping verb. So if you find ed in the end of main verb and there is no helping verb, it is past simple. Understand? You can see here, I watched the match. What is the main verb? Watched. Do you find ed in the end? Yes. Do you find any helping verb before it? No. Past simple. So whenever you find ed in the end of main verb and there is no helping verb before it, that is past simple. Next, if you find V23S, a type of verb, I have given this term. You will not find this term in any grammar dictionary or grammar book. I have given this term. I am inshallah going to explain you this term as well. If you find V23S and no helping verb, again it is past simple. See, what is V23S? There are so many verbs in English which have first form different, second, third form same. They are called V23S. For example, see, tell, told, right? So told, say. First form different, second, third form same. Catch, caught. So many verbs are there. Sell, sold. So many verbs are there. So if you find any such verb, second and third form which is same, and you find no helping verb before that, that is past simple. You can see here. See, she told a lie. Now told is second, third form verb. but there is no helping verb here. That means it is past simple. So all the verbs whose second and third form is same, and that is used in your sentence, and there is no helping verb before it, that is also past simple. So many you can use. I caught him, caught, second, third form same, no helping verb, past simple. She sold my bag, sold, second, third form same, no helping verb, again past simple. One more, sometimes you find V2O. V2O means V2O. Means there are some verbs in English whose first form is also different, second form is also different, third form is also different. So if you find any such word whose first form, second form, third form are different, and you find the form of the verb used in your sentence, that is only second form, again it is past simple. For example, you can see here, sing, sang, sung. So sang is only second form, but told is second, third form both, caught is second, third form both, cooked is second, third form both, watched is second, third form both, but sang is only second form. So we indicated this by V2O, only second form. So whenever you find any such form of the verb which is only second form, so again that is past simple. For example, see, she sang the poem. Sang is only second form, past simple. Right? I forgot your name. Forgot is only second form, again past simple. Do you understand that? She went there. Went is only second form, again past simple. So many verbs are there whose second form is only second form, not third form. So if you find any such form of the verb which is only second form, again it is past simple. Let's come to the last, that is present simple. Present simple is also very easy. There is no helping verb used in present simple. So whenever you find V1 and there is no helping verb, that is present simple. You can see here, I help them. You can see here, I help them. Help is first form, sure? Yes. Do you find any helping verb there? No. No helping verb first form, present simple. But you can see here, see, help is first form, but there is will as helping verb. It is not present simple, it is future simple. What makes it future simple? Use of helping verb will. But here there is no such helping verb used, so it is present simple. Only one difference is there in present simple and future simple. In future simple, shall, will are used as helping verb, and in present simple, no helping verb is used. I go to school, go first form, no helping verb, present simple. They call me, call first form, no helping verb, present simple. Last, whenever you find no helping verb and s or es in the verb, it is again present simple. You can see here, she goes to school. Do you find here s or es in the main verb? Yes. So whenever you find s or es in the main verb, that is only present simple. She watches the match. Watches, present simple, yes is there, right? She tells truth. Tells, s is there, present simple. So this was the lecture. Recapitulation in short. See, future simple, will, shall, V1. I will go, future simple. I shall help, future simple. Past simple, three methods. ed in the main verb, no helping verb, past simple. V23s without helping verb, past simple. V2O without helping verb, past simple. Present simple, V1 without helping verb, present simple, V1. S or ES, present simple. So today, Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Allah, we have completed our topic tense form. Inshallah, we will meet with the grace of Allah next time with new topic. Till then, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.